These are the elevators, the parking elevators at 100 North Tampa in Tampa, Florida. We're at 14. 14 is the top floor on the elevators, but if you want to get to 15, you can't get to them from here. You have to walk up a ramp. There might also be stairs, don't know for sure. It's interesting how these have both these keypads and touchscreens. We're stopping for
Yeah, he didn't even care about the luxury tax.
Yeah, money meant nothing.
Can't remember if I showed this or not. So let's send this one up and catch a different one. This one we just missed. So, Innovation Prestige call buttons out here.
Floor.
So, just to show you, we're gonna get off the elevator, and I don't see any stairs right here. So, in order to get to 15, you've got to walk up a little bit. Notice how the parking spaces are all 14 something something. There's a stair right here. So, this stair goes up into the office building, but we can't actually go up into the office building, and I'll show you why in a minute. This is why. So I can't tell, doesn't look like there's anything under there. So you can't even take the stairs to 15. You gotta walk all the way around. Here's about the point where it changes from 14 to 15. It says the elevator is this way. Signs right there that say 14. You can see all the spots. They say 15 something something. This is about as close as we can get to where the elevators would be. We have a machine room and we have a couple of random doors. This one is locked. You can see a lot of the 15th floor they're pretty much just using as a storage area. But yeah, it's honestly really weird. 15th floor, you can't get to the elevators from 15 directly. That's where we just were. You have to come down to 14 in order to get on. Take one of these to remember where you parked. You got a bunch of them. Let me take a look. Pause to read what that says. Also, I just realized you can get a pretty good view of the Bank of America Tower and its parking garage right here. Anyway, enough rambling about the 15th floor and why I don't like that the elevators don't serve 15. But honestly, it could just be because the 15th floor is half a mechanical floor, and the half that is a mechanical floor is not the half that you park on. So, 15th floor is likely where the machine rooms are. Well, actually, it is. We walk past it. We're gonna end the video down here, and well, actually we didn't ride it, but elevator number 15 looks exactly the same with the certificate right here. That'll be it.